Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Toyota GR Yaris, and this casting is by Hotwheels Premium. As you can see, it's from the Boulevard set and it's new for 2026. So I'm excited to open this casting and see how does it look. So let's have a quick look before we deep dive into the casting. And I can see there are a lot of good details. So here is the GR Yaris out of its box, and first thing you will notice, if you don't know anything about Hot Wheels Premium, it has got a nice paint, a rubber tire, nice looking wheels, a lot of good details which you don't normally see on main lines. Now we're going to start from the front. So in the front you can see there are a lot of good details. You can see the detailed headlamp, grille, Yaris badge, fog lamps, Toyota badge, GR badges, so a lot of good details. And you can see how they also included the blue running lights. They look good here. You got both the mirrors, and you can see it's a GR, so it's wider body, I would say. Now let's go to the driver's side, because it's not sold in North America. It's a right-hand drive model. So on the side you can see you've got nice looking multi-spoke black wheels with rubber tires, Gazoo Racing badge, mirrors. Obviously it's a two-door hatchback, and you can see like there are some details. You can see the fenders is wider, see the cut line here. Now let's move to the back. Again, nice details on the back. You can see you've got a detailed tail lamp, black trim piece, Toyota badge, Yaris badge, twin exhaust, some diffuser in the bottom, rear fog, small spoiler, actually not a small, like a regular spoiler. Also you can see the shark fin antenna here. Roof again has a black finish on it, looks really good from the back too. Passenger side looks almost identical, only difference I can see is the fuel filler door here, and the interior is finished in black, as you can see. This is how the base looks. There are some details there. It's obviously a metal base, because premiums get metal base. Now overall, I think it's a really nice looking casting. Got a lot of good details. Looks really nice. And yeah, wait for some time. I'll also have like a comparison video between this one and the Matchbox Yaris very soon, I guess. Overall, I think it's a really good looking casting, and you won't be disappointed with this one. Those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.